I mean, look at it. It looks like I have no makeup on whatsoever. Hey y'all, my name is Princess. This is the new be sure to hit that subscribe button. And today I am coming on here to review the MAKIAGE makeup. I actually purchased this from Amazon for like $64 because on the actual website you can purchase it for like $5 and then try it out. But the gag is you end up having to pay like $60 a month after the fact to continue to try it if you do like the makeup. So I got this off of Amazon for $64 just to try it out to see if I like it. And I got it in the shade 220 Woke Up Like This. I've already tried it off camera, but I'm going to try it on camera so you guys can see what it looks like.
Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away. First time, you're left in the glass. Don't you try to talk your business. First time, you're left in the glass. Don't you try to. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, boy. Don't let.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half, she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your plug, and it's like a ghost town.
As you can see, it blends in really good with my skin, and I love it. Like, this is the kind of makeup I like to use versus, you know, the other makeup that I have, which is Clinique, Clinique. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but that's the makeup that I used to use, but this, I like makeup that looks like I don't have any makeup on. Okay, so this is what my makeup looks like with the eyeliner and everything. I do believe that I'm going to continue to use that MAKIAGE. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. MAKIAGE. Yeah, I do believe I'm going to continue to use this because of the simple fact that it looks really good on my skin, and I really, really like it. The only thing that I don't like about it is that it's a small amount of foundation, but I'm a person that doesn't really wear makeup like that, so this will actually last a lot longer for me versus someone who wears makeup on a regular basis. If you guys want to purchase this, again, the shade is 220 Woke Up Like This. You can purchase it on Amazon for around $64. Be sure to go and purchase it. This is the truth. Like, I've seen a lot of video reviews on this foundation, and now that I've used it myself, I'm telling you, go purchase it. I'm not one to use something and it not be virtual. So yes, I do recommend that you try this brand out. I mean, look at it. It looks like I have no makeup on whatsoever. Like you can see the before and after pictures on my thumbnail. Like you can tell that I have makeup on, but it looks like I don't have any makeup on. It looks like my face is just clear. I am going to be using this, but I wanted to test it out off camera to make sure that it was legit. Because like I said, other videos that I said, they were hyping this up. Like it had been hyped up. And I was just so curious to see. Be sure you guys go and purchase MAKIAGE and your shade. What you can do is you can go on the website and figure out what your shade is. Like they'll ask you a certain amount of questions that you have to answer to figure out your shade. And then if you don't want to do the purchase where you pay the $5 to try it for free, and then if you like it, you pay the $60 a month. If you don't want to do that, you can go on Amazon and just type in the shade that they gave you on the website, and you'll find your shade on Amazon for $64. I'd rather pay the $64 to get one bottle than to pay $60 every month. You know what I mean? So yeah, and I also looked up to see if they have this at Sephora. They do not have it at Sephora. I don't believe that they have it at Ultra, but I will look and let you guys know in the comments if they do have it at Ultra. But if you guys have any questions, don't be afraid to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright? Do show.